What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Cost Customs. So today I picked up my first Mini Z. So I'm going to do an unboxing, kind of show you what came with it, stuff like that. This is going to be a part one of like a 10-part series. So I'm going to unbox it, show you what I got. The next video, you got to stay tuned to check that out. But basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going through and I'm going to be showing you upgrades that I do to the car, what the pros and cons are, how it changed the car from stock. And try to release a new update or new build video every week. So stay tuned and I'll open the box up. All right, so I ended up getting the all-wheel drive version. I got the Subaru. Pretty cool. Thought it was one of the cooler options. So I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. Car. Trying to do this downstairs. I got like my crawler course here and stuff. I'm also going to be doing some builds on that as well. So that'll probably be coming next after this. Let me get this all out. Alright, so you get your typical, reading material, whatnot. I don't know about you guys, but I never read these. I always learn the hard way. Just the way I am, I guess. So let's see. You got your wheel nut tool, battery door, a couple other tools, some O-rings, some gears, change the gearing on there, some cones, you can practice driving around the house. Here's your sweet remote. Pretty decent size, not too big. Just get rid of that. And here is the car. It looks like you gotta undo it. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, so here's the car already, took the body off, just got it out of the box. Thought the Subaru is pretty cool, like the copper wheels and whatnot. Obviously, we're gonna be changing these out for different compounds and stuff like that. These are the really hard compound tires for drifting. Again, it is four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, so it will be, a little more manageable with these harder compound tires. So I will get this, going. I'm waiting for my batteries to charge. I'll also show you guys, what charger I got and so forth. I ended up buying these batteries, got a couple sets. We'll see how they go. I'm going to also do some, other battery testing and whatnot, but this is the kit. Like I said, I like the smaller 124 scale, like SCX 24s and crawlers and stuff like that. But these look like a lot of fun. I know there's a huge following for them. A lot of people are still into them. There's tons of, aftermarket parts and stuff like that out there. So, this is what I got. This is it, completely bone stock. I just opened it. So stay tuned and I will show you guys what box I use to transport everything. Meet up with friends, go to races, keep everything safe, compact. So that'll be my next video. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to, like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTOMZ. Thanks, guys. Be cool. Stay safe.